We can access this web server through the browser like we did before, or we can use curl on the command line. So we give curl the same sort of URL that a browser builds up. So using localhost 8085, asking for the lookup operation with name Alice and info phone, and we can see the web page that is returned by the server. Curl just prints that out to standard out. So we get Alice's phone number there. We could ask for Alice's secret instead. If we try that, then we'll get denied unless we add the super secret password, which is admin password equals super secret, lowercase. So we can get Alice's secret out that way. Or instead of getting Alice information for Alice, we can ask what is Bob's phone number, or Bob's email, say, and so on. So these requests get sent and the results received just like a web browser. But we can also do things that a web browser wouldn't do. Because the user has to click radio buttons in the web browser, they can't type something like, give me secret, no really. If we do that though, our server just says undefined because secret no really turns out not to be a field in our database. We get an error when we try to evaluate an expression that's constructed with secret no really here. But let me try one more thing. I'm going to say secret and then put %20 on the end. And if I do that, even though I didn't give the super secret password, I do get Bob's secret back, which is house here. So why is that? It's because %20 stands for a space. It gets decoded as a space when we pull that information out of the query here, and we build up the text here, directory, look up Bob, secret, space. And of course, this bit of JavaScript code still means the same thing as if we did not have the space. Meanwhile, though, our check below was checking for secret without a space at the end. Can be even worse. I could ask for Bob's email, say, but then use %2b, which stands for a plus sign, and put admin password here. And now we see not only did we get Bob's email address out, it was followed by super secret. We got our password out. And that's because the JavaScript code that we generated in that case was secret plus admin password. And that whole expression was evaluated, which means get secret, well, in this case email actually, get email, and then add the admin password string to that, concatenate those two strings, and print them out.